This is the sixth lecture of correct use of tenses. Today we will learn past progressive tense. Use of past continuous. It is used for an action that was started at a particular point of time in the past. Keep this thing in mind. Started in the past and was in progress at that point in the past. Started in the past, was in progress in the past. I was still working at 6 in the morning. It is a past thing, started and being in progress. The naughty boys were teasing the beggar. It was an action that was in progress in the past. A new morning was dawning after the black night of persecution. A thing started in the past and remained in progress. The oppressed were revolting against their overlord. Something was in progress in the past. Another use of past continuous is it is used in the reported speech. The doctor told him that he was getting better. We change tense in the reported speech. If there is present continuous in the reporting speech, it would be changed into past continuous. So past continuous is also used in reported speech of narration. It is also used when some action stopped at the key point. I was working on the computer when power cut occurred. Something remained in progress until something happened to stop that action. This is the meaning of this sentence, and this is the usage of this tense. Past continuous is also used in some conditional sentences and statements expressing position. When you express some kind of wish, if these boys were working harder, they would soon make up their deficiency. So, condition is work. This is a supposition. If they work hard, they may pass. They may make up their deficiency. As it has been expressing some supposition, if this happen, that can happen. So, in these kind of situations, we can use past continuous tense. And this is a wish. If I were the millionaire, I would buy that yacht. If I'm not a millionaire, but if this is my wish, if I were a millionaire, I would buy that yacht. We wish we were going to Makkah this year. It is a wish. It's a wish everyone has had. So to express a wish, to express a supposition, to express which is not a reality, to express which one wants, we use present continuous tense. It is also used sometime like present continuous with adverb of frequency. This is adverb of frequency. He was always complaining about low earning. Always complaining. It may also be uh, made as, constructed as, he is always complaining about low earning. So it has had its use like present continuous tense. Another use of past continuous is it is also used when some action happened during the progress of another. I was eating when the bell rang. I was doing this thing, but this happened. They were playing football when the rain started. So, when some action is in progress, another action happened. It is also a use of past continuous tense. Now, we will know how we make this tense. We use was with I and singular subjects. I and singular subjects. Verb with you and plural subjects. We use was and were, along with first form of the verb and ing. The naughty boys were teasing the beggar. Boys plural, verb plural, first form ing. And to make it negative, we use not between helping verb and first form of the verb. Were not teasing. Not should be placed between were and teasing. And to make interrogative, we put was verb at the start of the sentence before the subject. Were the naughty boys teasing the beggar? He was completing his assignment. He was not completing his assignment. Was he completing his assignment? She is paying a surprise visit to her friend. She was not paying a surprise visit to her friend. Was she paying a surprise visit to her friend? The space shuttle was landing on the Mars. The space shuttle was not landing on the Mars. Was the space shuttle landing on the Mars? So this is how we make simple, negative and interrogative sentences. Thank you very much for watching. We will be here for next lecture of correct use of English and tenses. Thank you very much.